In this video, I will compare Wrike versus Notion and tell you which of these tools may be best for you and your needs. I'll compare them in terms of features, who they are for, their pricing, customer reviews, and I'll tell you which one I think is best for who and why. So first I'll go over what they do exactly and who they are for, starting with Wrike. So you can see Wrike under these solutions here. Their use cases are resource management, project management, workflow management, and task management. Now they have more use cases such as industry specific use cases, and you can see those right there, and you can see all the industries it's for right there as well. So what Wrike does, it's pretty much an all-in-one platform to streamline your workflows. So it does a lot of different things, and basically it is a project management tool that helps you set up automations, you have dashboards, proofing, you can request forms, and there are so many different features that are included in Wrike. Now some of them are limited to the more premium plans, which I'll go over in a second, but it's mainly for teams to again streamline workflows. Now comparing this to Notion, Notion is in essence a note-taking app, but it does do a lot more. For example, you can create company wikis, you can collaborate with your team, you can chat with your team, and it implements AI very well. Now in terms of the product, you can see you can create docs, so you can collaborate on documents, you can centralize your knowledge through wikis, you can use it for projects, so that means project management. They have a calendar, and you can also collaborate with other people to find, for example, the best times to book in meetings. You can create sites, and they have a bunch of templates. So for teams, you can use it for product teams, engineering teams, design teams, marketing, IT, startups, and enterprises. Now, as opposed to Wrike, Notion is also great for individuals. So if you're choosing one of these tools and you are going to use it yourself and you won't use it with other team members, then Notion is the way to go. But if you're working with a team, then they are both very good. But I'll just compare their pricing now, and then after that show you the customer reviews and then tell you which one I think is best. So they both have free plans available, and the free plan in Notion gets you a collaborative workspace and you can invite up to 10 guests. Then the Plus plan is €11.50 per seat per month, where you get unlimited blocks for teams, unlimited file uploads, 30-day page history, 100 guests, custom automations, charts and dashboards, custom websites. Then the business plan is €17 per seat per month, and here you get private team spaces, 250 guests, and a lot more. Then the enterprise plan has custom pricing with some more advanced features. Now as an add-on, you can get the Notion AI, which you can add to your workspace for €7.50 per month when you bill annually, or €9.50 per member per month when you bill monthly. Now comparing this to Wrike's pricing, they also have a free plan available, which is for teams that are getting started. Then the team plan is for growing teams at $9.80 per user per month. The business plan is for all teams across an organization at $24.80 per user per month. Then the enterprise and pinnacle plans have custom pricing. So now I'll show you their customer reviews and then tell you which one I would pick depending on your needs and what you want to do with them. So on G2, you can see Notion has close to 6,000 reviews and it scores 4.7 stars out of 5, which is a really good score. Now Wrike on the other hand has a little over 3,700 reviews and it scores 4.2 stars out of 5. So that's a little bit lower compared to Notion and it has less reviews, but it's still a great score. So which one should you pick, Wrike or Notion? Now for small to medium-sized teams, I would personally go with Notion unless you are looking for some specific features that are only included in Wrike. Now that really depends. I recommend just going to their product here, seeing all the features that they have. Now it's quite a lot to go over, but you can see it on their website and just see if there's something there that Notion doesn't have, because there are quite a few features only included in Wrike that aren't in Notion. And I would just see which one has the features you are looking for. Now overall, I think Wrike is more advanced unless you work a lot with data and you want to create graphs based on data and do calculations and stuff like that, then I would go with Notion. But if you're looking for a project management tool and resource management and everything else that it does in the use cases right there, then I would go with Wrike. Now, generally, I think Wrike is a bit more expensive, but it is very good for larger businesses and even for smaller businesses and medium-sized businesses and agencies that are looking for some more advanced features and automations and integrations. Now, Notion is also a really good tool, but they both have free plans available. So what I would do if I were making the decision is just take both of their free plans or free trials and see which one works best for what you need. And that could save you a lot of time, because if you pick the wrong one and you need to switch over later, you could have wasted quite some money and time. But overall, I think Notion is best for small to medium-sized teams that just want to collaborate on documents and do really basic project management, but also work a lot with data. And Wrike is best for teams that need to do more advanced project management and resource management, workflow management, and task management. So that concludes this comparison of Wrike versus Notion. Again, if you want to get started with either Wrike or Notion and check out their free plans, then you can claim those through the link down in the description. If this comparison was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.